Hey there, welcome to Insaid. You might be wondering what's the secret behind those websites, ads, and apps that seem to read your mind. Well, buckle up because we are about to reveal it all in this video. So let's get started. A B testing, the secret weapon of digital optimization. Imagine you are a company and you want to make a website more engaging, increase conversions, and optimize your ad campaign. A B testing is your ticket to success. Here's how it works. You create two versions of your web page, version A and version B. They can have different layouts, colors, or even call to action buttons. Then you randomly divide your users into two groups. Group A sees version A and group B sees version B. As users engage with the variations, their actions are tracked and analyzed. Did they click that shiny buy now button? Or did they sign up for your newsletter? The data holds all the answers. The real magic happens when we compare the results. By crunching the numbers, we can determine which version performs better and achieves the desired goals. Let's say the winner is version B because it outperformed version A, leading to more clicks, signups, or purchases. Congratulations, version B. But we are not done yet. A/B testing is an ongoing process. Each test helps companies make incremental improvements, creating a continuous cycle of optimization and innovation. So, the next time you stumble upon a website that captures your attention or an ad that feels tailor-made, remember, it's a result of meticulous A/B testing. And there you have it. A/B testing, the secret sauce behind digital success. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more such content.